Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 6, that is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Now, common factors. Write the factors of 25 in the red circle. Yes, here we have circle. And the factors of 35 in the blue circle. So, here is the blue circle. 25 here you will write 35 right here. Write factors of 25. How can we write the factors of 25? It's very easy. We will use division method, means we will find the number that are dividing 25. So first number is 1 and 25. If 1 is dividing 25, so what will be its next number? Yes, 25. When will you write 25 by 1? So will you get number 25. So 1 and 25 are factors of 25. Next, number 2. 2 cannot divide. And then next number 5. 5 5 ja 25. So 1, 5 and 25. These three factors are number of 25. Similarly, write the factors of number 35. So at first, write number 1 and next is 35. If 1 is there, so 35 will be there. If you will divide number 35 by 1, so we will get number 35. So 1 and 35 are factors of 35. And next number 5. 5 7 ja 35. If you will divide 35 by 5, so you will get number 7. So 5 and 7, these two numbers we got. So these numbers are factors of number 35. Now we will check that which number are common factors of 25 and 35. First, we can hear 1. So write 1 in purple circle. Next number is 5. Common in both circles. So write 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 25 and 35. Now, which are the factors you have written in the common part, purple, of both circles? That was number 1 and 5. These are common factors of 25 and 35. So, I have already explained about it, that what are common factors. 1 and 5 will be common factors of 25 and 35. Now write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. So here we have red circle and blue circle. So here write 40 in red circle and here write 60. So once again we have to find the factors of 40 and 60. So first is 1 and other number is 40. Because 1 multiplied 40 means will be 40. 40 divided by 2, so you will get number 20. Because 2 multiplied 20 is equals to 40. Now next number will be 4. 4 multiplied 10 is equals to 40, and 5 8 ja 40. So these are the factors of number 40. Similarly, you will find the factors for number 60. First number will be 1 and next number will be 60, because 1 multiplies 60, so you will get 60. And next it will be number 2 multiply 30 is equals to 60. Next number 3 multiply 20 is equals to 60. And next 4 multiply 15 is equals to 60. Because if you will divide 60 divide 4, you will get number 15. At last 6 and 10. So now check which number are common and write here in purple circle. So number 1 is common, so write number 1. Then number 2, write number 2. Then number 4, so write number 4. Then 10. And next number 20, so write number 20. These are the common factors of 40 and 60. What are the factors written in the common purple part of the circle? 1, 2, 4, 10 and 20. Okay. Next, which is the biggest common factor of 40 and 60? Biggest number 20. 20 is the biggest common factor of 40 and 60. Now factor tree. Look at the factor tree. Now can you make another tree like this? So here you can see that in 18 factor of 2 and 9. Then 2 has no factor excepting 1. So come to 9. It has 3 and 3 factor. So in this way it is looking like a tree. So it is known as a factor tree. Now we have to another 18. So here we have to make a factor tree with different number. First number 9 has taken. So we check the factors of 18. So that is 18 is equals to 1 multiply 18. Next number 2. 2 9 ja 18. Then 3 6 ja 18. So now we will take 3 and 6. So 3 right here and 6 right here. So 3 has no more factor excepting 1. Now 6, so its factor are 2 and 3. So write 2 and 3. So in this way the factor tree for 18 is completed. In how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them below. So here we have factor tree for 24. So here all 3 boxes we have 24. So in different ways we make a factor tree. For that, so what will we do? First we will find the factors pairs. Factor pair. 24 is equals to 1 multiply 24. Second number 2 multiply 12. 2 12 ja 24. 3 8 ja 24. 4 6 ja 24. So these are factor pairs that we can take. Now first number 24, and so here we can write 2 and make a circle, and here write 12. Okay, so 2 number has no more factor excepting 1. Now come to 12. 12 has more factors, so first factor will be 2. 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6. So 2 3 ja 6. So this is a factor 3. We will take 3 and 8. So first write 3 and now next write 8. 3 8 ja 24. 8 has more factors. So write 2 4 ja 8 and 4 has more factors. So 2 2 ja 4. We are just dividing. What is factor? Factors can divide the numbers. All are the division numbers. And here we will take 4 and 6. So here write 4 and here write 6. 4 6 ja 24. Now 4 has more factors. 2 2 ja 4. Both have 1 as their factors. Now come to 6. First factor 2. 2 3 ja 6. Now its another factors will be 3. So now in this way factor tree of 24 in 3 different ways we have completed. Students, here we complete our chapter number 6, that is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Thank you.